Gordo ka hoa tatou, maruru ka hoa whaera mai te ine mahana. Wa hiti mai te mahana, ni a tatou pa atoa. O tau te mai te mahana, te tene tatou i te pupu. Te pupu no te whea, no te whenua Hawaii. Te pupu prohia. O Tahiti mana. Te pupu te ratira. O mana rigo te nana e wha hiti mai a oto, te ia amu, te ori tarato e rawe nei. E pupu te e mātou hia, i te rā whenua Hawaii. O te ero me rato i te mana no wharere a oto, no te haa me te i a oto, no te haera mai o ne haa maruri a oto. Ia i te oto te i e peu, te i e ori, te i a amu te rato e wha ohipa nei. Maruru, e himene o a tato i a rato.
So coming up next, we've got the group Teiti Mana, which is a multiple award-winning Tahitian dance troupe based out of Honolulu, Hawaii. Founded in 2011 by Tahitian-born and raised Manari Igochi and his wife, Nalini Igochi. Their goal is to preserve and perpetuate traditional Tahitian songs, dances, and legends, as well as innovate and create performances that carry a message relatable to all. Teiti Mana has become a home for many Hawaii living Tahitians, as well as Hawaiians, Polynesians in general, and other ethnic groups who share a deep love for Tahitian culture. And this is our last performance for the Tahiti village, so give it up for Teiti Mana.
Tato poru e iaorana. Kia ora. O mātou te e pupuri o Teiti Mana. Wa oa oa ro mātou no to tatou tere rā. Inia te i taua o whare Pasifika. Pei nei, o tete taime no te ori, no te heiwara. E no reira, maruru to tatou whare reira. Teiti Mana e ato mai! From the depths of the ocean to the shimmering surface of the sea, Te Tai, Te Moana, it is our home, our pathways, our temple, and our source. Through all the peaks and valleys we travel through in life, one thing stays steady: our desire to feel alive, whole, connected, and loved. Our journey is our destination. ancestors Rata, who learned he had to ask permission and give the proper respect to the tree before he cut it down to make a va'a. We must always remember and honor our atua, ancestors, those who came before, those who carved the path that we walk on. We share love, joy, and we celebrate life, young and old alike. Our va'a is made. Let's follow the bird that will guide us to the new beginning. But as much as it is new, it is just a continuation of what our ancestors did. We walk in their footsteps. We carry their knowledge in our blood, their spirit in our bones. We thrive in honoring and connecting with our source. There is a longing to grasp what we cannot hold. Look to the horizon, the bird of happiness. It soars above so free, a companion of the breeze. It guides our journey.
Aloha. My name is Jevin. My dad is from Samoa. In Samoa, we got an island named Savaii.
Yaorana. My name is Ta'itoa. My dad is from Tahiti. In the Society Islands, we have an island called Raiatea, but its old name is Hawaii. Next to Raiatea, there's an island called Taha'a, but Taha'a's old name is Uporu.
That sounds like Savaii and Upolu places in Samoa.
In the atolls near Tahiti, there's an island called Hawaii. We live in Hawaii. That sounds like Savaii too. Our ancestors were navigators. They traveled long distances and named their new homes after the places they came from.
And where we come from, we will return to, in both the physical and spiritual world. When we know where we come from, we know where we are going. The way the waves caress the shoreline, embracing and then retreating. The rise and fall of the Are, the wave, rolling back into itself. The flow has a rhythm that can be unpredictable. Crashing in a quick moment, the water splashes up in the air in tiny droplets and falls to become one again with the vast sea. We bow respectfully before this incredible expanse where Ta'aroa resides, where Rata sails, where opportunities and adventure are endless. Oh
My dad was a baby when Coco Hota Hota wrote that song, and my grandma was dancing in it with the Maiva.
Now you're dancing it too.
Cool story, bro.
One of the cool stories we're trying to write is really to teach our youth, our tamari'i, all of the knowledge and teachings of our elders. And one of the things, through storytelling and dancing in this case, we would like to just kind of showcase our youth and get them to freestyle a little bit for you guys. So make some noise for Jevin and Taito. Give it up once again for Atamari'i. In life, we have dualities, ever opposing forces that remain constant. Te po, te ao. We cannot have one without the other. Salt water, fresh water, male and female. And we need all for life to exist. This is a story about a journey. This is a story we can all relate to because all of our ancestors have been on a journey. A journey that has culminated in where we are today. And as individuals, we have our own personal journeys, physical, mental, and spiritual. From the realm of Tepo into Teao and back again, the journey continues. Do we know where it began and where it ends? Ladies and gentlemen, for all of you that came today to watch us, thank you so much for being here. Before we go, I would like to acknowledge one person in particular that's been on our trip, didn't get to dance, but she's been pretty amazing with the group. I would like to acknowledge Stacy. Stacy, come on the stage, please, real quick. All right, with this beautiful ending, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. Hey, Timalai, hey, Napa.